Guys, this is Amber, my handsome husband,
Marvin,
and our beautiful daughter,
Liberty.
And we're with the family-o. Today, you guys, we are going to be doing a cooking video on making jackfruit tacos. This is such a great idea that we've just heard of in passing since being vegan. And a lot of people celebrate Taco Tuesday, but we're gonna be celebrating Taco Wednesday. And just before we get started, we wanna take you guys through our ingredients and kind of what we have. For some of you that may not know what jackfruit is, it is a big fruit, you guys, and people, especially in the vegan community, have recently been using it to make different type of dishes such as tacos, pulled pork, you name it, just all type of sloppy joes, and just all type of sandwich dishes and things like that, because it kind of has like a meat type of look to it, as well as consistency. You know, some people say it looks like chicken, you know, things of that nature. So we ended up getting our can of jackfruit, you guys, from Sprouts, and it came in this can right here. The fruit is really big and it's costly as well, but we found this, I think it was about 2 for $5 at Sprouts. And as you can see right here, it says that you can do vegan tacos, sloppy joes, and more. So the ideals are endless for what you can cook with them. To add with our jackfruit tacos, you guys, we're gonna put some refried beans with it, excuse me. We're gonna have some avocado. We're also gonna have, what, Liberty? What are we gonna have?
We're gonna have tomatoes.
Tomatoes, we diced those up a moment ago. We're gonna have some red onion. We have our taco seasoning right here, and then we have salsa in the refrigerator. So lastly, I wanted to show you guys these street tacos, these flour tortillas that we found. We just found these at Walmart, as a matter of fact. I think they were $1 and some change, but we've never tried these before, so we're super excited about using these, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so we have our measuring cup right here, and we have 1 cup of water that we're gonna start by pouring into our pan right here. Gonna pour that in. And then we're gonna take our taco seasoning and shake it down a little bit. Make sure that we get all the seasoning down, okay? And I'm gonna open it over here to make sure we don't spill any. All right, you guys, so we have the heat a little bit more than half heat, and I'm just mixing around the seasoning just to kind of disperse it and make sure that it's evenly distributed in the water. Gonna turn the heat up just a little bit more, and then I'm gonna come over here and get our jackfruit.
And I wanna help you pour it.
Well, no, because mommy's just gonna use her hand and knock it in. I don't want it to pop up and hit you, okay? But I want you to watch me. Can you watch me while I do it? All right, and so, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and just let it come into the water.
Ooh, that looks delicious.
Our taco seasoning. It does, doesn't it? And as you guys can see, look, it looks very shredded, like literally.
Like cheese.
Yeah, like kind of reminds me of either cheese, like Liberty said, good observation, baby. Cheese. Or even chicken breast is what it comes to mind when I look at it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take a spoon now and just put it in there, down like that. And then, as I mentioned earlier, or maybe I was thinking it earlier, I'm not sure. As you let the jackfruit marinate, you guys, in the taco seasoning, move back just a little bit, baby. Good job. It's going to start breaking apart itself, the jackfruit. But I've already cut it up, you know, just to help aid in that process. But look at that. You're going to turn it up just a little bit more so it can begin to have a light boil. And as you guys can see right here, we got our jackfruit tacos. They are boiling. It smells so good. The aroma is just divine. Isn't it, Lib? Libby's been trying to eat them since we started. So it kind of looks like crab legs. Looking at it, like with the crab boil, doesn't it, babe? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, so as you can see, the sauce has really absorbed the jackfruit. So it's gonna have a really nice flavor, and we're about to go ahead and do the refried beans. We can have those in this delicious meal. Let this simmer just for a few minutes on low. All right, you guys, so we are grilling our onions right now. I personally think that onions add so much flavor to any dish. So we have it right here. I just cut up a few and put in a little vegan butter. And just let these cook real quick before we put our refried beans in here. We have limited space, so I'm trying to work it in where I can.
Delicious.
It looks good, doesn't it, on you? All right, so we're adding our refried beans, you guys, just to warm them up. Add that nice bean taste. Looks good. All right, y'all, here are our mini street tortilla tacos. We're gonna put them in a pan. We put a little bit of vegan butter in here so we can just cook on each side quickly. And we're about to be ready to eat.
Yum!
All right, you guys, so this is Liberty's plate. We have some refried beans for her, some corn chips. And now we are taking some of the jackfruit and putting it on her tortilla. Libby likes everything super plain. Do you want any salsa to go on top, or you want it just like this?
Just like that.
Okay, so here, take your plate.
My hands are sticky.
Oh, they're sticky. Oh, we need to wash our hands. I forgot your crap. That's right. All right, so we're gonna come back and you guys are gonna see how she likes it in just a minute. How is it? Good?
I really like it. I just tasted the bread. Now I'm gonna taste the
jackfruit.
Jackfruit.
Thumbs up or thumbs down? Awesome.
All right, so we just got Libby's seal of approval. So now we got to get my love's seal of approval. So I'm gonna go ahead and prepare his taco. So I'm gonna start with, beans first. You guys, this is hot. Okay, let me get the plate. All right, so put a little bit of refried beans on a tortilla right here. I'm gonna add a little bit of the jackfruit. Okay, stick that on there. Turn it off. All right, so now we're gonna add some yummy onions. Y'all look at those. Oh, they look so good. Add some tomatoes. And some avocado. And last but not least, we need to add a little salsa. Put some, there we go. Alrighty. Okay, handsome, tell me what you think.
All right, hold on. Let me squish that thing in there right quick.
How is it? What do you like?
Very good. The taste of the seasoning of the taco on the jackfruit real good. It tastes just like, I remember when we get some shredded chicken. That's what it tastes like. And then the onions coming through. So I feel like we're on Chopped. And it's kind of punchy. No, it's really good. The sauce is a really nice add-on too.
Okay, awesome.
Really good. That thing gone.
All right, you guys, so I just got my love stamp of approval as well, along with Liv's. Now I'm ready to eat, y'all, as well. Thank you so much for joining us, you guys. We appreciate you rocking with us as always. Please let us know in the comments below if you've tried jackfruit tacos or if you plan on trying them. Tell us what you think about them. We appreciate you guys just taking the time to just tune in. Whenever we put a video out, you know, we don't have a consistent schedule or anything, but just when we feel led to do something, we do it. So until then, this is Amber. We have Marvin behind the camera, Liberty munching away over there. We are with the Family O, and we will see you guys next time. Peace.